Now this is the Cowdray ruins in Midhurst. We visited there in early October, and as you'll see later, the sun was just amazing at the end of the day. So before we flew, we checked all the signage to check for any prohibition for drone flight. We checked the airspace through the Altitude Angel app. I checked for people around. We used the Mini 2 drone, so we were as safe as we could be, and obviously it's kept in visual line of sight at all times. So this was a shot I really wanted to have a go at again. I've done this previously on Racton Monument, and I had to make sure I could maintain visual line of sight looking through the crack in the wall, but it was a bit scary, but it turned out alright. If you've got this far, I'd really appreciate if you could click that subscribe button, maybe click the little bell icon, even share it with friends. It's trying to build the channel, and the more subscribers, the more likely I'm to do more videos. Thank you. I also took quite a few aerial and ground-based pictures in HDR, and if you want to check those out, look at my website, which is firefly-uav.com.